In this video, we're going to use the descriptive statistics method for finding the mean, median, and mode for a set of data in Excel. The first thing you're going to need to do is make sure you have that data analysis tool pack downloaded. If you don't have it downloaded, you need to go back and watch the other video on how to download the data analysis tool pack. Okay, so right now we are going to we're starting here at the home screen. I've already got my data entered here. This is actually one of the problems from your textbook. The problem in the orange box on page 373 in your text, if you want to follow along. Alright, so what we're going to need to do is we've got our data entered in, and once it's in there, we're going to come up here to the data key, and then we're going to come over here and we're going to click on the data analysis. And we are going to be doing descriptive statistics. So that's the one right here in the middle. I'm going to highlight that one and click OK. Now it's asking for an input range. So I've already done this once before. I'm going to clear this out. And you're going to come over here, and all my data is in column A, and it goes from cells 1 to 15. So I'm going to click and hold, and I'm going to highlight all of my data like so. And now you see the input range has highlighted there. Now, yours will automatically opt to a new worksheet, but we're not going to do that because I want to be able to see all this on one page. So be sure you highlight this part right here that says output range, and it's asking where you want Excel to put these descriptive statistics. And again, I've already done this, so I'm going to have to get mine clear, but yours should be blank. And all you need to do is come over here and just click and make yourself a big space, and then click on the summary statistics down here and click OK, and everything you want is going to pop up right over here. Okay, now what we're interested in for this particular lab is we're interested in the mean, and we are interested in the median, and we are interested in the mode, and also we're interested in the range down here. So those things can be found with descriptive statistics. Now the rest of this is important, and it's good if you take the Math 152, the statistics class, but we don't actually have to use it for our class, so this is all we need.